The original work-sharp knife sharpener sharpens every knife you own. Sharpening guide holds the knife at the proper angle when sharpening. Flexible abrasive belt quickly sharpens the knife edge and conforms to any blade shape. Sharpening a serrated knife. Sharpen your serrated knives using only the fine grit abrasive belt. Sharpen only the beveled side of the serration. Place the flat side of the serrated blade onto the guide. Power on the sharpener and slowly and steadily pull the knife across the guide. 2 or 3 strokes should be sufficient to restore an edge on your serrations. If you are sharpening a combination edge pocket knife, sharpen the smooth edge portion of the knife on the abrasive belt. Be careful to insert the blade in the guide only up to the first serration.